Mimosas are a breeze to make. We're sharing our go-to recipe and extra tips to help you make them best. To make mimosas, we use equal parts orange juice and champagne. This means that for 1 bottle of sparkling wine, you'll need about 3 cups of juice. Of course, you can use store-bought orange juice, but for the best mimosas, use fresh squeezed OJ. You'll need 6 to 7 large, juicy oranges. My juicer doesn't strain for me, so I do use a mesh strainer to remove the pulp. Now keep the juice chilled until you're ready to make mimosas. We stick with dry champagne, but American sparklers, Spanish cava, or Prosecco are all great options. Choose what you love. When opening your bottle, hold that cork. Loosen the wire cage, then gently twist the cork out facing away from everyone, just in case. Slowly pour the chilled bubbly into tilted flutes. Pouring at an angle like this tames those bubbles. Now tilt the glass again and pour in the chilled orange juice. Don't panic if it gets foamy. Just pause and let it settle before finishing. And that's your classic mimosa. For a grand mimosa, add a ½ ounce of Grand Marnier before topping with OJ and bubbles. Remember, equal parts bubbly and orange juice make the best mimosa. That said, you can always adjust. For a lower proof cocktail, use more OJ than wine. For a stronger drink, add more bubbles or make a grand mimosa. Cheers to perfect mimosas. See you next time.